All right, second grade, let's stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, second grade. Good morning, second graders. Great to have you back with me on this cloudy, a little dreary Wednesday. So, let's get right into the agenda for the day. I'll send myself into the corner, if it will let me. There we go. Okay, you found my video. Very good. Let's go right into the classwork tab for our morning work. We'll take a peek at that. And just as a reminder, there's no class meeting today. Remember, it's a Wednesday. We will have a class meeting tomorrow at 9 o'clock. All right, here's the morning work. All right, we're adding 4 two-digit numbers again. Be careful with the regrouping from the ones place to the tens place. Make sure you are double checking that work today. Put your answer here when you are done. This says AW practice, which makes that aw sound. Pick the correct aw word for each sentence. I read these sentences out loud in my morning video. Guess what? You're listening to it right now. So, good, you found it. I blank a coyote last night. Straw or saw. The police enforced the blank. Law or paw. Steve ate blank sushi last night. Raw or yawn. My cat has 4 blanks. Paws or pawns. Make sure you're putting the correct word over in here. You have those 2 options. So, last piece is a brain break. You have worked very hard this week. Take some time after you are done with the problems above to draw in color. Please, if you can, take a picture of what you drew and insert it below. And you guys already know how to do that. Insert, image, camera. Okay? When you're done with your morning work, go ahead and click the turn in button. Heading back to the stream for ELA today, go ahead and start off by reading to self for 30 to 40 minutes. When you are done with that, let's check out the classwork tab. We have something a little bit different today. And it might be very helpful to do this while you read. So, reading in ELA, it's parts of speech practice today. In your reading today, you came across many nouns, adjectives, and verbs. Find 5 of each from the book you read today. See, I'm saying that you should probably do this while you read. So when you come across them, you can just go ahead and put them in here. And at the top, I put a little reminder of what nouns, adjectives, and verbs are. Nouns are people, places, or things. Adjectives describe nouns. So adjectives describe people, places, and things. All of our describing words for the most part. And verbs are action words, usually ending in ing, ed. You get the picture. Please put down the title of the book that you read up here so I know what you read. So if I have to go back and find them, I can. And in these columns, you can put 5 nouns, 5 adjectives, and 5 verbs. If you want to do more than 5, feel free. If not, that's fine too. When you are done, click the turn in button. All right, back to the stream. I'd like you to do a little bit of Lexia or IXL Language Arts today for 20 minutes. Remember, you're doing Lexia if you're not on level 13 yet. IXL for everybody else. Writing is in the classwork tab. Don't spend too long on this today. I see some friends might be spending some extra time doing this. That's why I put a time limit. I'm saying about 20 minutes a day, okay? So, like I said, this is a animal informational piece. You can be looking up animal books on Epic, and our class code is right there. Or you can have your parents help you with an internet search to find animal facts and animal information. And you need to answer these questions for me. 3 sentences for each question. What's your animal's habitat or shelter? Where in the world does your animal live? What does your animal eat? What predators does your animal have? And 2 interesting facts. and you can submit all your work right here in this Google Doc. And feel free, you can type in your answers. My animal is yada yada yada. Or you can feel free to write it out on paper like this. And you can always put a picture of your work in here, okay? So that is an option. You can do all your work on paper. You are not turning that in today. If you turn it in, I will push it back out to you because we still have one more day we can work on it, okay? When you are done with your writing, you're going into your special, which is computer today. And we'll see what Mrs. B has left for us. Wednesday, April 15th. Good morning, everyone. Week 4 of virtual learning and the last week before vacation. I hope you are all doing well and enjoyed Easter. You already know what is expected from me for your learning. So get to it and have fun practicing typing, Duolingo, and coding. Have a great day. All of you know where to find those things, so go ahead and spend your regular computer time today doing that. No more than 40 minutes doing that, please, because that's our normal computer time. When you are done with that, we're heading back to the stream. Math, we're going to start right off in the classwork tab. And for this one, we are working from our books today. You're going to be on page 127 in book 2B, which is the Put on Your Thinking Cap problem. I made a very short video of myself reading the problem, and I'm offering a strategy on how to solve it. When you are done, you can complete it in the Google Doc. I did a little screenshot here to show you what it looks like. All you need to do is put your answer down in here, which is how many posts. But please feel free to check out the link, and I'll put the link in here for you as well. Okay? Sounds like a plan. Turn it in when you're done. After you have done that work, you can head in and do IXL Math S's or Dreambox for 20 minutes, no more. And to wrap up your day, you should be doing your animal observations. I still have a hard time seeing those elephants, but I'm going to keep looking. Feel free to look through the day. You know, animals come out at random times, so go ahead and do that. And you should be working on Wednesday stuff today. So, putting down the animal that you observed and the observations and questions that you have. I think a lot of you are coming up with great questions. All right, second grade. That's what I've got for you today. I do have meetings with friends through the day, starting at 11 o'clock and ending at, 2:30, 3 o'clock. All right, so we're all going to be very busy today. Make sure you're showing up to your meeting if you have one. And above all else, have an awesome day. I'll see you guys all tomorrow.